Hi everyone, welcome to this session. Before going into this session, let us have a recap of what we learned in the last session. We learned about Cheras. Cheras ruled on the banks of river Poige. Their capital was Vanchi. Port Tondi, Mussuri. Flag bow and arrow. The Chera country was called Chera Nadu. The greatest rulers among the kings of Chera Nadu were Imayavaramban Neduncheraladan and his son Chengutuvan. The able ruler Cheran Chengutuvan erected the statue of Kannagi. Come, children, let us learn about Cholas. The early Cholas kept Urayur as their capital, located along the river Kaveri, and ruled it. Uruthirangannanar of Kadiyalur, in his in his Pattinappalai, describes that Cholanadu is famous for rice. Cholanadu Sorudaitu. The Chola kingdom comprised the district of Tiruchirappalli, Tanjavur, Pudukkottai, Nagapattinam, Thiruvarur, Perambalur, Ariyalur, Kadalur. The land of Cholas was fertile due to the river Kaveri. The kings ruled by providing justice to their subjects. The greatest ruler among the Cholas was Karigala Cholan, who was also called Karigala Peruvalathan. Now, let us learn more about Karigala Cholan, how he got the name Karigalan. Karigala Cholan took the responsibility of kingship at a very early age and ruled efficiently. So he took up the responsibility at very young age. When he was very young, he was captured by his enemies and imprisoned. The room in which he was arrested was set on fire. In this fire accident, his feet burnt due to his charred leg. He was called as Karigalan, meaning the man with charred leg. At a very young age, he disguised as an old man and tactfully justified a case. Thus, he was very brilliant. The Cheras and Pandyas together attacked. Who attacked? Cheras and Pandyas together attacked Karigalan at Venni. At Venni. Vagai Parandalai. Finally, Karigala Cholan defeated the two rulers there and was victorious. He invaded Sri Lanka. And brought the captives from there to build the dam Kallanai across the river Kaveri. The dam still stands strong even after 2000 years of its construction. Who built Kallanai? Karigala Cholan. Now let us see about the river capital port flag of Cholas. River Kaveri, capital Urayur, port Kaveri Pumpattinam, flag tiger. Let us know Kallanai was constructed by the Chola king Karigalan in the 2nd century BCE. This is said to be the world's oldest dam still in use. Stones and lime mortar were used to construct it. Now, let us move on to Pandyas. Pandyas established their rule on the bank of Vaigai. Which bank? Vaigai, with Madurai as their capital. The capital is Madurai. The ancient Pandya country comprised of Madurai. It consists of Madurai, Theni, Dindukkal, Virudunagar, Tirunelveli, Tuticorin, Sivagangai and Ramanathapuram districts. Okay, children. Madurai remained as the most popular city of Sangam period. Madurai is most popular city of Sangam period. Pandya country was famous for pearls. Muttamil Changams were held in Madurai under the patronage of Pandyas. The third Tamil Sangam was held in Madurai. Muttamil flourished during the reign of Pandyas. The most famous kings were தலையாலங்கானத்துச் செருவென்ற பாண்டிய நெடுஞ்செழியன். தலையாலங்கானத்துச் செருவென்ற பாண்டியன் நெடுஞ்செழியன் and பாண்டிய நெடுஞ்செழியன் of சிலப்பதிகாரம். When Pandiya Neduncheliyan was a young boy, he fought a battle at Talayananganam against Chera. Talayalanganam against Chera, Chola and Federal lords, that is Kurunila Mannargal. He defeated the combined force, therefore he got the title Talayalanganathu Cheruvendra Pandiya Neduncheliyan. Okay. Now let us more about Silappadigaram. During the rule of Pandya Neduncheliyan, he happened to prosecute Kovalan for theft and gave death sentences. He gave death sentences to Kovalan. Kovalan's wife Kannagi advocated to prove her husband's innocence. When the king realized the truth, he said, Yano Arasan, Yane Kalvan, Kedugaven Ayul, and died by falling down from his throne. Immediately his wife Koperandevi also sacrificed her life out of shock. The administrative system of the Pandyas was depicted by Mangudi Marudana of Madurai Kanji. Who wrote Mangudi? Mangudi Marudana wrote Madurai Kanji. Madurai Kanji was written by Mangudi Marudana. Now, let us learn Pandya's river, capital, port, flag, etc. River is Vaigai. River Vaigai, capital Madurai. Port Korkai, Korkai, Korkai. Flag fish. Now let us know about Madurai. In ancient Madurai, there existed daytime shops called Nalangadi, Naalangadi, Nalangadi, and nighttime shops called Allangadi. Daytime shops is called as Nalangadi, nighttime shops called Allangadi, Allangadi. Now let us move on to Pallavas. The early Pallavas ruled on the banks of river Palar with Kanjipuram as their capital. The capital is Kanjipuram. They ruled on the banks of river Palar. The regions ruled by them was called Tondai Mandalam. Tondaimandalam, Tondai Mandalam. It is located in the northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. Tondai Mandalam is located in the northeastern part of Tamil Nadu. The kingdoms of early Pallavas was founded by Sivaskanda Pallavan. Sivaskanda Pallavan. He integrated Tondai Mandalam and ruled over there. The greatest kings among the early Pallavas was Sivaskanda and Vishnu Goban. Shall we spell, children? Sivaskandvarma. Sivaskanda Pallavan. Pallavan. Visnugopan, Vishnugopan. The later Pallava period was started from the reign of Simha Vishnu, Simhavishnu. The greatest kings of this period were Magendravarman and Narasimhavarman. The greatest achievements of the Pallavas were cave temples. What were their greatest achievement? Cave temples and monolithic rathas. Now let us learn about Pallavas river, capital, port, flag. River is Palar, P-A-L-A-R, Palar. Capital Kanjipuram, K-A-N-C-H-E-E-P-U-R-A-M, Kanjipuram. Port Mahabalipuram, M-A-H-A-B-A-L-I-P-U-R-A-M. Flag Nandi. Do you know, children? Narasimhavarman, son of Magendravarman, was one of the greatest Pallava kings. He was popularly known as Maamallan. His nickname was Maamallan. In order to commemorate his courage, a historic harbour city, Maamallapuram, otherwise known as Mahabalipuram, was founded. That's all about this session, children. Let us continue in the next class. Federal laws, administrative systems of Sangam, age, hospitality, economic conditions, conditions of women, festivals, etc. Have a nice day.